All right, we're back with another video, iPhone 16, about how to make your battery lifespan last longer so that it doesn't get so weak where you always have to keep charging it. Now, iPhone 16 is new, but yeah, we're gonna wanna prepare. So, okay, let's go to settings. Then we're gonna go to battery. And one of the things you'll see is with charging that you can set you can set the charge limit. And part of the reason you want to make it less than 100% is so that it lasts longer. It doesn't always fill up the capacity of the battery, and wear and tear, it's gonna become less effective. Now, it even warns you once you get to 100%. So I'm gonna set it at 100%. But once you set it to 100%, there's another option that you can use, which is optimize battery charging. So as you can see, it says when the charge limit is set to 100%, allow iPhone to wait to finish charging past 80% until the time you need to use it. Now, go ahead and turn that on. And this is good only when you want to always charge it to 100%. So I would recommend changing it to optimize battery charging. But you want to make sure that you don't use the phone, you let it charge until like 80%. And how we know that is by going to the top, scrolling down, and it'll tell you 42% right now. There's also another option where we can go back and we can turn on the battery percentage, and now it says 42, and then when it's 80, then you can use the phone. So there's a lot of little things that you can do to help the battery lifespan last longer. Going back to charging now, we can see clean energy charging. Now, clean energy charging sometimes has to do with your location and the green energy laws there. So if your phone's not charging well and you plugged it in for a long time, you might want to turn that off. And then I could turn that off until tomorrow. And then it'll start charging faster. Anyway, some tips about battery on the iPhone 16, some of the options, some of the things you might want to change. Go ahead, play around with it, see what works for you. I hope this video helps. Please like or comment below. Appreciate it. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.